Okay, got her all hooked up. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's fill that brand new filter up. Alright. Got her all fixed up. Kinda made a mess. But yeah, the old one, it's got an armature like a weld machine, and I bought a rebuild kit, but the magnets were broken inside, so I tried using it with the broken magnets that go around the armature, but I couldn't find magnets anywhere, and it finally quit pumping the other day. It was done, so she's all fixed up now, so I can get out of here now finally. All right, that's it.